Hello, I'm Phil from Doble Motorcycles and I am here to talk to you today about MotoGP ceramic coat, what it is, how it's put on and why you should have it on your bike. To put it simply, ceramic coat is a liquid which is applied to the paintwork of your bike. It chemically bonds to the paintwork and then forms a hard wearing seal around everywhere on your bike. It protects against UV rays, extreme weather, extreme heat, acid rain and tree sap. Firstly, your bike is washed and then covered with a pre-cleaner in order to prepare the bike for the application of ceramic coat. Once this is completed, the ceramic coat liquid will then be applied all over the plastic and paintwork of your bike. That is left to cure for a few hours and then your paintwork is guaranteed for 3 years. After the ceramic coat is applied, you'll receive a certificate guaranteeing the product for 3 years. With ceramic coat, you now no longer need to polish your bike. It's polished for you. All you need to do to look after ceramic coat is continue to wash it. With your purchase of MotoGP ceramic coat, you'll also receive a Williams Racing aftercare kit which consists of a glass cleaner, wheel cleaner, wash wax and leather cleaner for your leathers. Information on MotoGP ceramic coat, please visit our website at doble.co.uk or come and see us in store. I'm Phil from Doble Motorcycles. Thanks very much.